So what's the difference between an ETF, a mutual fund, an index fund, or a stock? I mean, you could go back to school or you could just listen to me. I'm Kristin Myers. I'm the editor-in-chief at ETF.com, and I'm here to explain about all things ETFs. So first things first, let's talk about a stock. A stock is when you actually own a piece of a company. Usually, that's what people talk about when they talk about investing. So you can go to the stock market and buy one share of one company or even a half share of one company, and that gives you a partial ownership of that company. An ETF is an exchange traded fund, and it's actually a type of pooled investment that allows you to invest in a basket of different assets, whether it's stocks, bonds, currencies, or even cryptocurrency. Now, a mutual fund is pretty similar to an ETF, actually. It is also a type of pooled investment. So you and a bunch of other people are all pooling your money together to invest together. The difference is, though, is that a mutual fund cannot be bought like a stock, like an ETF can, and it can actually only be traded once a day at the end of the day. So all buyers get the same price at the same time. And then there's an index fund. And an index fund can actually be a type of ETF or a type of mutual fund that actually tracks an index, like the S&P 500, for example. And if you want more ETF education, head on over to ETF.com where we explain the difference between an ETF and other things and so much more.